This pranayama slows down the heart rate that is beating very fastly, and it also has a very soothing and a positive impact on the high blood pressure. इसमें ना हम अपने throat से वो sound create करेंगे. We will feel like we are breathing from our nose, but the air is passing through our throat. और जैसे एक छोटा बच्चा साउंड क्रिएट करता है अपनी नींद में, like a small baby who is snoring in the sleep, that is the exact sound that we have to create. I'll show you. You have to keep your back straight. When you will breathe in, a very soft subtle sound will be created when the air will pass through our throat. Okay, like this, like okay. And when you will exhale out, it will feel like you are breathing in and breathing out through your throat, not by your nostril, not by your mouth, but by your throat. Okay, so let's start this. So let's do it again. This may sound little horrible, like a horror movie or something, but no, this is very effective way of breathing and one of the pranayama. You have to just inhale through your throat like, and exhale it out through the throat. This is how the small baby snore while they're sleeping, right? So this is the ujjayi pranayama. This pranayama slows down the heart rate that is beating very fastly, and it also has a very soothing and a positive impact on the high blood pressure. This ujjayi pranayama, when you will breathe, you will feel like a heat is getting created, right? This generates a little heat in the body, and this is also the one of the best pranayama if you're suffering from insomnia. बट इस प्राणायाम को प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आपको सिर्फ बैठने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप इसको सो करके भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. यानी कि यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दिस बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड, लाइंग इन दिस शवासन, दैट इज़ कि जब आप सोते हैं अपनी पीठ के बल, उस टाइम पर भी आप अपनी आंखें बंद करके अपनी बेड पे लेट करके, एंड यू कैन स्टिल प्रैक्टिस दिस विल हेल्प यू fight with insomnia, and this will also help you bring a good sleep. So this was all about the ujjayi pranayama. Now we will move to our next pranayama.